Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to safely withdraw crypto from your KuCoin account. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. If you're using the app, log in, go to Assets, then Overview, and select Withdraw. On the web, log in and go to Assets, Overview, Withdraw to reach the Withdraw page. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like USDT, from the dropdown. After that, add the wallet address where you want to send your crypto, enter the withdrawal amount, and select the correct network. The remarks field is optional. Double-check that the address, amount, and network are correct before hitting confirm. Always make sure the network you select is compatible with the wallet address. Choosing the wrong network could lead to irreversible loss of funds. For coins that support multiple chains, like USDT, the system usually detects the right chain automatically. If you get an invalid address error, check your address carefully, and if needed, reach out to KuCoin support. Finally, review the transaction fees and the final amount you'll receive, then hit withdraw. That's it. Your crypto will be sent to the chosen wallet. If this helped you withdraw safely from KuCoin, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.